Past perfect tense. This is very important class for all the students, and here is your brain sir, and I hope all of you are very fine today. And in this video I'll cover your past perfect tense, and it's very important to all the students. So my dear friends, you must watch this video till the end so that you can enjoy, and after watching this video you must make a note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's start it from the very beginning without wasting time. So my dear friends, here is your first page of this video. Welcome guys. So here is your past perfect tense. So let's see its definition. The past perfect tense is used to show that something happened before another action in the past. It can also be used to show that something happened before a specific time in the past. For example is here. First is he had completed his work. Second one is Ram had broken his pen. So my dear friends, let's see the next one. There is one helping verb in this tense, for example is here had is your first helping verb of this tense, and it always takes your past participle, that means third form of verb. For example, Rita had done her homework. So my dear friends, this helping verb is used with all person whether they are singular or plural. For example, first one is we had taken his pen in Sakardarpur. Second one is they had written a letter to DPS. So my dear friends, let's see the next page. Welcome guys once again. So here we'll look the sentences. As you know very well, there are six sentences in a tense. So for first example is given here, so you must go through this one so that you can understand one. So first one is affirmative, second is negative, third one is questions, and fourth one is questions negative, and second last one is WH questions, and last one is WH questions negative. So that's very important to all the students. So you must read the sentence. So first sentence is here, she had played a match. Second one is she had not played a match, and third one is had she played a match, and fourth one is had she not played a match, and fifth one is why had she played a match, and last one is why had she not played a match. So it's very important to all the guys. So you must read this one so that you can understand this one very good. So without wasting time, let's move on to the next page, and your next page is here. Welcome guys once again. So let's see the next one, and next one is here. It also show the possession in past, and it takes noun to complete the sentence. So your first example is here, I had a pen. Second one is we had a home, and third one is they had a home. And my dear friends, it always takes noun. For example, a structure is given here, subject plus had plus noun. And fifth one is over here, it also show the obligation in past, it takes a fixed preposition. For example, I had to play in Sakardarpur. Second one is they had studied to pass the exam, and fourth one is we had to fight each other in CKB. So my dear friends, you can also show your obligation in your past. So it's very useful in your daily life. You may use this one in writing and speaking. So it's very important. So let's see the next page in this video. Welcome students, this is your last page of this video, and here is your questions, and questions number is your 6, and it's very important to all the students. So it's your turn to give the questions answer. So let's see, find out the error and make them correct sentence. So my dear friends, your first question is here, I had studied extremely hard before the test was given. So my dear friends, this one is your past perfect tense. So here is your study, and this is your present form, and you know very well your past perfect tense always takes your third form of verb. So here is written your first form of verb. So it's your wrong. So what will be your correct will be your third form of verb. So my dear friends, here is your rest of the questions. So rest of the questions is for you. You must read this one and try to give the answer, so that you can understand this all things, and these all are very important to all. So I think it's over for today, and see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys.